What's up guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Panda Allen, your ultimate P-pop reactor. Today we're gonna be reacting to SB19's Damn, but again, not the song, because I've already made the reaction video to Damn, the lyric video, the All Out Sunday performance, and of course the music video. I've also reacted to the first parts of the series, the behind the scenes series that they have uploaded on their official YouTube channel. So today we are going to react to Damn, the making, the music video. This was the most exciting part, one of the most exciting parts of the project, because of course, as you can see in my reaction video, I was really surprised that I even thought that I was watching a movie. Alright, that was how good the song was. So let's see the making of music video. Of course, this is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be fun. So let's go. Let's watch this. Damn, the making music video.
Lahat ng boys talaga may idea sila. So as a director, kailangan ko ma-meet halfway kung ano gusto
So this is
nila.
their director.
Let's go. Ready na?
They're having fun, bro. That's what's important about.
It should be clear from your end and especially from our end also. So we'll do our best para ma-explain sa inyo kung ano talaga yung gustong-gusto namin na mangyari.
Okay. Tapos may fog na.
Mas feeling ko rin yung shadows. Parang mas strong yung shadows ng lahat.
Foggy siya, foggy. Challenge for me is mabuo yung gusto nilang mangyari and ma-meet talaga
Alan
yung
Shee.
expectations nila.
Panda Allen Shee.
So during naman siya shoot, kahit 2 days siya, parang marami talagang scenes na kailangan i-shoot and also maraming palit ng damit, lalo na yung kay Stel, kasi dual personality siya eh.
Everybody for a take and roll camera, music, and action, pasok yan. Dali.
Gusto namin ipahiwating din na parang importante talaga sa amin kasi gusto namin i-risk, i-sacrifice yung mga activities namin sa response.
One more, dikit nyo na yung music. Ganoon naman kami every era, syempre, ano namin, talagang pinaghahandaan namin na tinatry namin higitan kung ano man yung mga nakaraan. Pero for this one, siguro, matindi yung paniniwala namin about it. And personally ako, binibigay ko rin talaga yung mabibigay ko para syempre mas magkaroon, kung ma-amplify pa kung ano yung Damn ngayon.
Itong music video na to is kakaiba sa mga dating releases nila kasi hindi to yung kakanta talaga sila. More on ano talaga to eh. Story-driven, emotion-driven din siya. So basically, kung anong gusto kong emotions na ipoportray nila, nagagawa nila.
They're not just singers here, bro. Like they're artists, they're performers in this song, in this project. Everything is here: acting, dancing, styling. It's just everything as an artist.
Sobrang pinag-isipan talaga lahat ng kailangan connected siya sa past releases din namin.
Bro, this is so difficult to follow. Like,
ginawa siya with a reason.
bro, this is now the standard of P-pop
Mga dating
songs.
kanta namin talagang meron siyang prequel tsaka may sequel.
Sa Damn era talaga, sa simula at wakas, mas very collaborative sila kasi talagang gusto nila pagandahin yung era na to.
Parang hindi siya maganda pangalawa agad. Parang siya pangalawa. Parang hindi siya maganda pangalawa. Siguro ako, rather than nakakonect sa character na power, B-roll talaga na wala kami. So, di ba yung shots? Para mahaba kasi yung shots. Gawa na siya ng focus lang ng pro na.
Yun nga yung sa part ng kanta na parang paano hihigitan yung sagad na. So very pressure talaga yun. So parang ginagalangan talaga din nila when it comes sa pagko-collaborate sa amin.
Itong creativity ng era na to, madugo, literal. Literal na dugo, pawis at away bago nabuo yung concept nito. Kasi madami kaming meetings at creative process para napagkasunduan na ganito yung gagawin namin. Collaboration of, syempre, with us, 1032, and a lot of people na naging ambitious kami again for this time.
They are showing their acting skills, bro. I mean, they should create at least a magazine for this. Like,
Si Justin talaga
this is
yung
a
parang
story.
sa grupo. Siya talaga yung creative din talaga. So, pag siya nagsasuggest, pag siya nagbibigay ng like input niya din talaga, yung naisip ko din, mas nadadagdagan din ng flavor kasi parang nagkakaroon kami ng batuhan in a way.
So yung Dam na song itself, galing siya sa pakiramdam. And syempre, yung meaning, yung dam mismo rin na nagko-control sa tubig. Alam mo yung pag meron kang gustong gawin, pag nagawa mo na siya, may another ka na namang gustong gawin. So yung pakiramdam na yun,
Ito na yung na-song mo. Successful na. Yeah, so i-ano mo lang, give your time.
yung sinasabi rin nung buong simula at wakas. Pag natapos mo na yung sinimulan mo, magsisimula ka ulit ng panibago.
Sagong.
Bro, this is a huge production.
Kasi parang ang tagal na rin namin ulit nag-aral ng bagong choreography since Gento and Crimson and everything. Comeback siya. So parang dapat pag handaan talaga yung magiging choreography ng mismong song. So nung inaral namin siya, akala namin nung una na parang madali lang siyang aralin kasi well, sanay naman talaga kami mag-aral ng choreography. Pero iba na nung inaral namin eh. Especially when Kuya Jay explained every detail, hinimay-himay niya yung steps talaga. Personally for me, naging challenging siya.
I love how they check the scenes after they do it.
Last one lang daw po.
Try mo na natin.
Sige, katayin mo. 1, 2, 3, ano pakiramdam? Ano pakiramdam? Yun! Wapo.
Originally, yung parang concept or yung inspiration dito is a real dam, something like a reservoir kung saan mo iniipon yung tubig para may energy ka, meron kang resource pagdating kapag nawala ng kuryente or anything. In a way, yun din yung mga experiences mo in life, iniipin mo siya lahat. And there will be a time that you will use it kasi syempre, you have to use it kapag kailangan mo na. Walang hanggang pag gusto ng mga tao. So, in the end, parang tayo rin yung naghahanap ng answer sa lahat ng katanungan.
Yung pakiramdam na nahihirapan ka, nagsasuffer ka because you're wanting more. Wala pa yung dam na music, na song, na-imagine na namin na yung magiging concept namin is basically ganito. So, actually, nauna pa yung concept bago yung kanta. Kakaiba yung setup namin ngayon.
Binibigay talaga namin yung buong passion namin para sa path na ito.
Lagi namin ginagawa yung best namin pagdating sa lahat ng bagay. Pero the question is, ano pa ba yung pwede namin maibigay for the people, for ourselves, to better ourselves? So, yun yung isa sa mga line na gustong-gusto ko kasi that question is something that's really hard to answer. But you will see the solution or yung sagot kapag ginawa mo na yung certain thing. So, yun, pushing yourself to the limits.
That's right. That's a huge team, bro. Wow, that was amazing. It just not showcases SB19, their talent, because we already know. But the good side about this is that we also highlighted the other side, the other talents of SB19, their acting, their collaborative thinking skills. But of course, they also showcased here the people behind the music video. Props to the director, of course, Alan Shee. That's why any names with Alan, it's always brilliant, right? Thank you so much for watching my reaction. I hope you liked it. If you did, click that like button down below, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I'll see you again in my next part of this behind the scenes of Damn. But of course, comment down below and with any song that you want me to react, any P-pop song or any song, and I'll make sure to react to it. But for now, I'll see you again in my next reaction.